Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your vehicle's headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, precisely 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tires are properly inflated to their recommended pressure. This crucial step ensures an accurate and consistent measurement for your headlight alignment. You will typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or possibly a 6mm Allen wrench to make the necessary adjustments. Now, open your vehicle's hood to expose the headlight assemblies. Look closely behind each headlight housing for small black plastic funnels or distinct holes. These are the specific access points for your headlight adjustment screws. Typically, these screws control the vertical aim of your headlights, allowing you to precisely raise or lower the beam pattern on the wall. Identifying these is key. Next, measure the exact distance from the ground to the very center of your headlight bulb. From this measurement, subtract 3 inches and then mark that adjusted height clearly on the wall with a piece of tape. Carefully insert your screwdriver into the adjustment hole. Turning the screw clockwise will effectively raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will precisely lower it to your desired level. After adjusting, step back about 25 feet and carefully observe the beam pattern on the wall. The top edge of your low beam should align perfectly with the tape mark you made earlier. Ensure both headlights are aimed evenly and are not excessively high, which could blind other drivers. Finally, take your vehicle for a test drive at night to confirm proper road illumination and ensure you are not bothering oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.